Hello everyone, today I'll be making egg fried rice. For that take 2 tablespoons of oil. I have taken 2 eggs and I have beaten them. Added red chili powder and salt into it. To the oil, first of all we will be adding 1 chopped ginger. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. To this add 1 chopped onion. We'll saute this until the onions start turning into brown color. The onions have started turning brown. At this point, I will be adding carrot chopped. I'll be adding cabbage, and also I'll be adding capsicum which are chopped into small pieces. So this basically looks like an Indian flag. Mix this well and saute the vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, put the vegetables to the side. Then add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Let the oil get heated up. Now to this we will be adding our beaten egg. We'll let the egg to solidify and then we will make it into small pieces. Now mix all the vegetables and the egg. To this we'll add about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, half a tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we mix this well. To this add about 2 cups of boiled rice, and you are going to mix this well. Be careful not to break the rice grains. You can toss the rice so that it gets mixed properly. We'll saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. I will dish it out and I'll show how the preparation looks like. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all for your support. Take care. Bye bye.